question 5, I've got y is equal to 1 over 8 x to the power 3, and then they said find y to the power 1 over 3. Now, y is given to us as all of this. This is what y is. So for y to the power 1 over 3, that means I'm going to have all of that to the power 1 over 3. That means that this 1 over 3 applies to this fraction and to that. So I'm going to have 1 to the power 1 over 3 over 8 to the power 1 over 3 times x, 3 to the power 1 over 3. 1 over 3 means the cube root, so the cube root of 1 is 1, the cube root of 8 is 2. That is, I multiply the powers because I have a bracket, so 3 times 1 is 3, divided by 3 is 1, x. Another way of writing this is x over 2. 1 times x is x. Okay, for part B, I've got half y to the minus 2. So if this is my original y, I have to multiply by half. So I'm going to have half times 1 over 8 x to the power 3 all to the power a negative 2. This negative 2 applies to everything in the bracket. So I'm going to have half 1 over 8 to the power negative 2 and x to the power 3 to the power negative 2, and that's half. To make this positive, all I have to do is flip the fraction, so 8 over 1 squared, and this I have to multiply together to give me x to the power minus 6. From here I have 8 squared is 64, x to the minus 6, so that will give me 64 x to the minus 6 over 2. 64 over 2 is 32, and I can keep it like this, or I can write it as 32 over x to the power 6. That is fine, and that is fine.